Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You want to start removing the sticker right away. Heat is your friend. Hold a hairdryer 3-4 inches away and warm a section for 1 to 2 minutes so the adhesive softens. Once done, use a fingernail or a plastic scraper to lift one corner. Make sure to work slowly and keep the heat moving. You'll pull at a low, shallow angle to minimize stress on the paint. If it resists, reapply heat rather than forcing the sticker off. Now tackle the sticky residue that remains. Dampen a microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol or a commercial adhesive remover. This breaks down the glue without harsh scraping. Rub in small circular motions and make sure to reapply solvent as needed. Patience here protects the clear coat. Avoid metal tools that can scratch. Once the residue loosens, switch to a clean cloth and wipe until the surface looks smooth and no gummy film remains. Finish by washing the area with car soap and water, then dry it thoroughly. This removes any solvent residue and prepares the surface. Make sure to follow with a polish or a light coat of wax to restore gloss and protect the clear coat. If you notice paint lifting or hazing, stop immediately and consult a professional. Do not keep scrubbing. As a rule, always test solvents in an inconspicuous spot before full use so you avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.